All right, so let's talk about solving for x. I know. Just hearing that phrase can give people flashbacks to middle school math class. It sounds intimidating, like some kind of secret code. But honestly, it's not. It's a puzzle. That's all it is. The x is just a number wearing a disguise, and our job is to figure out what that number is. The whole game has one and only one golden rule. You have to remember this. It's like a balancing scale. Let me just draw one. A simple line with a little triangle thingy underneath. There. And a plate on each side. Perfect. The golden rule is whatever you do to one side of the scale, you have to do the exact same thing to the other side to keep it balanced. That's it. If you remember that, you can solve almost any of these puzzles. So let's just dive in with an example. Enough talk. Let's do a super simple one. I'm going to write the equation up top. Let's say x plus 3 equals 8. So our mystery number, x, plus 3 gives us 8. Now, let's put this on our balancing scale. On the left side, we have our mystery number, x. I'll draw that as a little box, and I'll write x on it. There's our mystery prize, and it's sitting there with 3 little weights. I'll draw 3 little circles, 1, 2, 3. On the other side of the scale, we have the number 8. So I'll draw 8 little weights over there. Let me just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the scale is balanced. Our goal, our whole mission in life right now is to get that X box all by itself. We want to know what that one box weighs. So we need to get rid of those 3 little weights that are cluttering up its side. How do we get rid of a plus 3? We do the opposite. We subtract 3. So I'm going to take away those 3 little weights on the left. I'll just erase them. 1, 2, 3. Gone. But wait. Oh no. My scale. It's totally off balance now. What's the golden rule? Whatever I do to one side, I have to do the exact same thing to the other. So if I took 3 weights off the left, I have to take 3 weights off the right. Let's do it. I'll erase 3 of these circles. 1, 2, 3. Phew, balanced. Again. Now, what are we left with? Let's look. On the left side, all we have is our mystery box, x. And on the right side, we have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weights. So that means x must be equal to 5. Let me write that down underneath. X equals 5. And we can even check it. If we go back to the start, does 5 plus 3 equal 8? Yes, it does. We solved the mystery. See? Not so bad. All right, let me clear all this. Let's try one that looks a little scarier, but it uses the exact same idea. Fresh canvas. Okay, let's write this one out. 2x plus 4 equals 10. Whoa, okay, a couple more things going on here, but don't panic. We got this. Let's draw our scale again. A line, a triangle, 2 plates. On the left side, what do we have? 2x means we have 2 mystery boxes. So I'll draw 2 boxes and put an x on each one. And we have a plus 4, so that's 4 little weights. I'll draw 4 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, left side is done. On the right side, we just have the number 10. So that's 10 little weights. Let me just draw those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The scale is balanced. Now remember the goal, get one X box all by itself. When you have a situation like this, you always get rid of the extra addition or subtraction stuff first. It's like unwrapping a present. You take off the loose ribbons before you tear off the paper that's stuck to the box. So we got to get rid of that plus 4 first. How do we get rid of 4 weights? We take them away. We subtract 4. So I'll erase the 4 circles on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gone. But wait. Oh no. the scale, the golden rule, we have to take 4 weights from the other side too. So let's erase 4 from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're balanced again. What are we left with? On the left side, we have our 2 X boxes. On the right, we have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weights. So our new simpler puzzle is 2x equals 6. I'll write that down. We're so close. Now we have 2 boxes that are equal to 6 weights. But we only want to know what 1 box is worth. So if 2 of them equal 6, what do? We split both sides in half. We divide by 2. So on the left, I'll just circle one of the boxes. And on the right, if I split those 6 weights into 2 equal groups, each group has 3 weights. So 1 X box must be equal to 3 weights. Our answer is x equals 3. Let's just check it real quick. Go back to the very beginning. 2x plus 4 equals 10. If x is 3, that's 2 times 3, which is 6. And 6 plus 4 is 10. It works. We did it. That's all it is. You just keep the scale balanced and get the x all by itself. You can do this.